Hi children, how are you? I hope you are in pink of health. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment 6 of 10th class. The topic is one word substitutes from 5th unit. 5th unit reading A, environment. See here 10 sentences are given. So you have to write suitable one word substitutes. Let us see first one. Your heading is given like this. What are the following persons called? One word substitutes or substitution is a process in which people use one word to replace a wordy phrase to make a sentence more clear. Right? Now let us see. Answers. A person who studies the human race, especially of its origins, is called anthropologist. Anthropologist. Second one, a person who studies the remains of buildings and objects found in the ground. So that person is called archaeologist. Archaeologist. Now third one, a scientist who studies the earth, the origin of, the history of rocks. That person is called geologist. Geo means the earth. Geologist. Fourth one, a person who studies birds scientifically. That person is called ornithologist. Ornithologist. Fifth one, a scientist who studies physics. That person is called physicist. Next, sixth one, a doctor who studies and treats heart diseases. That person is called cardiologist. Cardiologist. Next, seventh one, a person who believes in solving human problems with the help of reason. That person is called a rationalist. Rationalist. Next, eighth one, a person who studies animals and their behavior. That person is called zoologist. Zoologist. Next, ninth one, a scientist who studies the mind of a person. The mind of a person, that person is called psychologist. Psychologist. Next one, a person who solves problems in a practical and sensible way. That person is called pragmatist. Pragmatist. Like this children, we can come across these one word substitutes to enhance our vocabulary. Thank you. All the best.